Good afternoon or good morning, depending on what time of day I have you guys. Remember that if you are in my second period class after lunch, please use this post to sign in. And if you are in fourth period, you just scroll down, find the fourth period scholars only, and sign in for attendance purposes. So today is Tuesday, May 18th. Of course, today is our independent reading day. Let's go ahead and take a look at what our assignment is for today. So during class time, we'll read aloud Wonder Part 3, We're Kids, The Plague, The Halloween Party in November. Warning, this kid is rated R, and The Egyptian Tomb. Today we will actively read aloud Wonder and synthesize the important details to create the back cover of the book. So your step 1 is watch to 100 kids tell a joke. You're welcome to tell me what your favorite joke was, but your first video is right here. 100 kids tell a joke. I hope that you guys have an amazing time enjoying that. B-Day Scholars really enjoyed it. Some of the jokes are kind of cringy and some of them are actually funny. So I know that laughter is good and therapeutic for your soul. So I hope and my desire is that you guys smile today. After you finish step 1, go ahead and read it on Epic for 20 minutes. I want to empower you to set a timer for 20 minutes. You can use YouTube, but just go to a 20-minute timer. They'll give you a heads up when it's time for you to move on to your next step. After you finish reading on Epic for 20 minutes, you're going to open the Ed Puzzle. If you are 8A scholars, you're going to open the Ed Puzzle so that you guys can hear the read aloud of part 3 of Wonder, which is right here. Just a little check for understanding. There are 2 questions at the end. Once you guys are done, it's going to ask you 2 questions just to make sure that you guys are actually paying attention. It's going to ask you what the main idea is and how Auggie has grown over time. So make sure that you are listening. Auggie is becoming very complex. We know that he starts out one way. Now we're towards the middle of the book. You're going to tell me at the end of that Ed Puzzle, how has he grown since the beginning of the book? Once you're done with part 3, listening to the read aloud video. Of course, your Wonder text is here, and part 3 starts on page 86. So while she reads, she's not showing you the pages. So if you want to have your pages open, it starts on page 86, and that PDF has been shared with you right here. Once you're done with part 3, we're going to start brainstorming and planning to make the back cover of Wonder. So the back cover that Wonder has right now is not that amazing. It's not that great. So we want to make a better, a more creative example of the back cover. We're going to use this back cover as a major assignment. So you're going to demonstrate your understanding of the text. This is what your back cover should include. A short summary of the book using the beginning, middle, and end method. Include an image of the author and at least 2 things about the author, so 2 facts. 3, include the author's purpose for writing Wonder and what you believe she wanted scholars to learn from the book. At least 2 reviews of the book. And at least 3 images that best describe the central message of the book. So since that is a whole lot, we're going to break this up. Our first progress check will be on May 20th and May 21st. And this is what you should be doing today. So if you're on step 5, this is what you are doing today. You can open in the tab and type in the back cover of Wonder. Take a few minutes, maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Look through this search. See how the back cover looks. Click around. See how the back cover looks. Get a good understanding of what the back cover looks. This stuff doesn't apply. RJ Palacio to make our search a little bit more concise. So I see common thing. I see a barcode. title, have the price on there. So just do a little research, see what you can find. Look at what the back cover looks like now. Then you're going to go back to your assignment and open your Google Drawings. Once you open your Google Drawings, this is what you should include on the back cover for today, May 18th. You should have at least 3 images, the title, the main idea, a barcode, and a price. Again, you should have the title, at least 3 images, main idea, barcode, and price. I look forward to seeing what you guys have created so far. When I see you on Thursday, I'll be looking for your title, main idea, 3 images, barcode, and price, because that will be your first progress check. So you're going to get a grade for your progress check on Thursday. Please, and there's also a copy of my unfinished product. Since I started just planning it out, this is what I have so far. Got the author, some facts about her, 3 images from the book, 1 picture of the author, main idea, my price. You can make the book how expensive you want or least expensive you want. I have a barcode and I have my title. This is my unfinished product. This is just me brainstorming how I want the back cover to look. I can change it as much as I want to because I'm just in the planning and brainstorming phase of my process. So again, I look forward to seeing you guys. You listen to this video as many times as you need to. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. If not, I look forward to seeing you guys on Thursday for my 2nd and 4th period Skylines. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.